Hi everybody. Today we are talking about birthday parties. You know, I feel like this is something that we almost took for granted until we had to limit being around people. But what I've noticed, people are starting to get out once again, celebrate those birthday parties with their friends and family. I made these adorable theme party bags for a little girl who was having a skate party. I used a skate theme, but I'm going to show you how you can modify these to fit any party theme. Let's start with these adorable DIY charm bracelets. You can see the one on the right is a skate charm, but you can use any charm to match the theme of your party. Start with elastic string and beads, and start stringing the beads on the cord. In between each bead, I put in smaller silver beads. For this bracelet, I used a mix of pink beads, also some pearls. Those pearls had both pink and white, and then I added in some silver. The beauty about this is you can choose any color or style of beads you'd like. One tip is lay out the beads on the table beforehand to see the pattern you want to follow. Once it's the length you want, tie it off several times. Pull those knots into a bead with a large hole. Then cut off the extra. This will secure the knots from coming loose. Now, add the charm of your choice. I thought this one looked great with a princess crown. Now on to a blue and purple theme. String the beads you like. Tie it off at the end. I am putting the skate charms on this one. Using needle nose pliers, pry open a jump ring. Use the needle nose pliers to clamp the skate charm onto the bracelet. Next, I made some hot chocolate cups. I put in a packet of hot chocolate, then a rock candy stick, which looks like ice, and then I put the charm bracelet over that. Then I took some gloves and tied a bow around it, and used a glue gun to glue on snowflakes. I put the gifts in the gift bag. The last thing I did, I used a photo editor program to create a label. You can design anything you like that fits your party theme. Mine was a skate with the word celebrate on it. I printed it on printable sticker paper and put it on the bag. So I made those bags for 7-year-old Hadley's birthday party. Her family lost their home in the Boulder County Marshall Fire. Imagine being a kid and having to go through this. So having their birthday party gives them a sense of normalcy again and a chance just to be a kid. This is all part of the Marshall Fire Birthday Brigade, which hosts parties to help out any child who has been displaced or lost their home due to the fire. The Birthday Brigade is looking for volunteers, birthday venues, and donations so they can ensure every family can celebrate their child's birthday. If you want to get involved in helping out or you would like to donate to the Birthday Brigade, just search up @BOCO Birthday Brigade on Facebook. Back to you.